Hi, this is Neil Davidson. In this video we're going to take a quick look at the new screen wall solution from Display Technologies. The screen wall is designed to tackle a growing problem in cinema installation: how to mount flat displays such as projection screens or LED walls, along with high power speaker systems, and still deliver a perfect, quick, easy installation. The screen wall solves those problems very straightforwardly for our integration partners. It comes as a modular system which is made specifically for the screen and the room that it's being installed into. The system's really simple in terms of the components that it uses. First of all, we have the flat baffle wall on which the screen or the speakers can be mounted onto. That delivers an optimal surface, very flat, and ideal both for acoustics and to take the weight of the display that might be mounted onto there. Next, let's look at how the system is built up in layers. The first layer that we see here is the frame for the fabric which is covering up anything that would be visible from the room side. Next, we have the high density fibre board. This board gives a lot of mass into the system whilst also ensuring that it's very flat and secure. Next, we have an isolating foam layer which prevents vibrations from transferring through from the baffle wall into the rest of the structure. Then we have a secondary layer of ply, which is again adding extra strength and safety for mounting onto the baffle wall. Finally, we have the aluminium structure here, which is how the thing can be made modular and very easily adapted to meet any challenges that you find on site. Now, the final component that you see in this installation are the acoustic cubes. The acoustic cubes are used to absorb any reverberations, any sound reflections within the screen wall product. The shape of the cubes is ideal because it increases the absorbing area that we have for any sound that would be inside there. The screen wall is an ideal solution for any installation with a projection screen or a large LED wall. It's going to make your install much easier and much faster. Check it out at www.displaytechnologies.co.uk.